Okay, so dear students, next question for the same category is the accepting string must have substring B, B, A. Suppose. So first step is we have to think about, we have to decide the language. So smallest string in this case is B, B, A itself, and being a substring, this string have A, B, B, A as a string, or B, B, A as a string, and so on. So any combination of A, B before the BBA or after the BBA. So this type of questions are very easy to understand. So let's start the first part, that is Q0 initial state, Q1 second state, Q2 third state, and Q3 in this case is fourth state. So with the help of input symbol B, again B and A, we are able to move at the final state. So BBA is the final state because it is going to be accepted as per the question is given. The string must have substring as BBA. Now come to the first state, Q0, and you can understand that we are taking a self loop here with A because A can be repeated any number of times before BBA. Now come to Q1. What happen if we have A here? So it is going to be like B A B A, but we need BBA as a substring. It means the pattern is disturbed and we have to move backwards at the Q0 state. So with this A, we are able to move back towards Q0. Then we are able to get BBA. Okay, so it's very important step in this case. Now come to state number Q2. What happen if we have B here? So B here means B B B A or B B B B A. It means BBA is common or substring of this one. That's why B can be taken as a self loop here in this case. So you are able to understand this concept or point very easily with the help of these type of examples. Now come to the last part, that is the Q3. What happen if we have A or B? So A or B you can observe with the help of examples like B B A, and again we have A. Not a problem because B B A already happened, so we can take self loop with A as well as with self B, because after this BBA, A and B with any combinations can be repeated any number of times because BBA is already part of the string. So that's all for this example. Next time we will start the next question, that is related with the NFA. So all these categories are related with the DFA, that is deterministic finite automata, and design of deterministic finite automata is very important question related with the exam as well as the concepts. So thank you so much.